Mount Rosa. This may be a shit show. Maybe not. The first part is pretty easy. So this is Nelson's, also known as Mount Rosa. Supposedly it's pretty rough. Some of the switchbacks are like straight uphill. Could be a shit show. Not too bad so far. Ah! Shit show.
This looks like fun.
This is where it starts getting shitty, I guess.
It looks like it, yeah.
Nah, you'll be alright. I'll try to make it look easy. Maybe not. Just try to keep your momentum up. Oh my God, that's so much harder than it looks. Yeah! Made it look easy, dude. Fucking good job. Keep moving. Yeah! Yeah, well! Nice! Somebody parked a Xtrainer in the way. Nice, dude. Cool, we got an awesome switchback right in front of us. Whoops. Fucking rocks.
If you slow down, you slide backwards because it's so dry.
Yeah, it's rough. I guess I should get up. I just don't want to. You want to turn around, Will? Oh yeah, this is bent pretty good.
I'm surprised I didn't crack my case here. Fuck, man. That was gnarly.
Gnarly gnars. Okay. Keep it moving. Almost. Oh. All right, I got you. Your what? Your balls? Did you sit on your nutsack? No kids, man. How's your license plate so perfect? All right, I'll help you. Almost.
I'm just so scared to sit on my nuts again.
Don't sit on your balls, dude. Need to wear some jockeys or something. Almost. Whew. What's this tractor? Watch. Holy fucking shit show. So this is Nelson's, known as Mount Rosa. I fucking say it's pretty goddamn difficult. It's more, it's highly technical, and there's really no break, so it's just fucking exhausting. And once you make a mistake, you can count on just wasting all kinds of energy. It's a fun trail. The guy up in front, Cameron, he's only been riding like 2 months, and he's killing this thing. So it goes to show you, if you're willing to throw your body into harm, you can get really good at things quickly. That's if you're not in the hospital. Fuck. I got you. Good, how are you guys?
Doing good.
There's some that's way steeper than this and rockier than this. If you're trying to get all the way to the top.
Holy fuck! Getting closer. Jesus. Sorry, Will. Well, what's it look like, Cameron?
It looks like fuck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because from here it looks terrifying. Oh my God.
This is fucking brutal.
Yeah? I feel like you're lying to me. That's steep. Almost. Tired? Yeah. It's fucking exhausting. When I got up here, I'm like, oos. There we go. Whoop. Good job, dude.
Thank you.
Yeah. Stay to the left. Nice, Will. Good job, dude. We did it. Got up.
Start doing it more often.
I'm good. This will be the only time I can say I did it. We'll have to bring Ethan up next year. First single track next year will be this.
Right.
Season opener.